You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals 59/85. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Break up the fraction. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Add 18/5m to both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 7 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the m. Divide both sides by 17. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is m equals 59/85.